doing it, obsessively doing everything you can, trying everything in the world so that you don't fail. That's a fear of failure. Not taking action because you're not sure of the outcome, you have a fear of success. There's a difference between a fear of failure and a fear of success. Don't tell me the reason you're not taking action is because you have a fear of failure. If you had a fear of failure, you'd be working your ass off every day, trying everything you can, talking to strangers, making phone calls, sending mailers out, running Facebook ads. You'd be doing everything you can so that you don't fail. Don't tell me you have a fear of failure. You have a fear of success. You're thinking, holy crap, what if they do want to work with me? What if they do like me, but they ask about the commission? What if they ask me about how long I've been selling real estate? What if they ask me if I've sold homes in this area before? You have a fear of success. It's best for you to take action with this. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.